Right, so we're finished with this one now. It's 6 metres by 3.5 metres deep. We started off with a concrete prefab garage. So we demolished the garage. Here's what it looked like before. This is what we're left with now. So as you can see, it's a beautifully finished garden room. It's got a twin space. We've finished it in Western Red Cedar. We've fit this cedar clad door as well. So it's got a storeroom in here. Nice security lock on there. We've fit Parliament hinges because it's a big old heavy secure door, 63mm thick there you can see. So this is his storeroom. You can see what a lovely job he's done fitting it out in here. We've fit 2 fluorescent lights. We've clad it in OSB as well, so you can fix his tools to the wall like that. We've put a letterbox window there with a frosted glass in it as well. We've got our consumer unit there, which has been certified and tested. We've got a range of plugs on the walls. I don't know if you can just see them. He's got his Wi-Fi over there as well, which we've connected to the house. Lovely little job. I mean, you're not going to get a better store cupboard anywhere in this country, I wouldn't imagine. Right, so we'll have a look in the other side of the room now. Like I say, Western grade cedar. We've done the soffit and fascia in cedar as well. We've put fire rated downlights in there. You can see these dummy pillars we've put on as well to give it a nice little feature. All the windows are aluminium anthracite grey. They're fitted to the highest standard possible, made by one of the leading companies in the country. And as you can see, it is a one finger operation. That's the beauty of these. Look at that, no pressure on them at all. Glides open effortlessly and brings the garden in and brings the inside out as well. You can see the lovely job the customer's done of this. It's a plastered finish, painted in white. We've fit a laminate floor as well. We've got skirtings and architraves. We've got a 2 kilowatt digital heater over there. For the guy who asked me on YouTube last night, it's Steinbell Electron, German make, top quality. We've fit TV on wall as well there. There's a bank of sockets. Some over there, and we've got some with Cat 5 as well. We've fit a tall ceiling to floor window pane there as well to let some more light in. So I just want you to have a look at these doors again. So literally one finger on them, and there. That's how easy they close. Beautiful glide on them. Shut them and lock them. 7-point locking system on them as well. Highest quality windows made by Express Bifold in Leeds. If you have a look around there, I'll show you what else we've done as well. We've finished the sides in cedar as well. We've fit 2 IP rated outside sockets, one on each end of the building. We've got a 1-piece rubber roof membrane on the top. We've also got soffits and fascias finished in cedar. We've dropped a gutter on there as well. A downpipe there. And we've finished the back in this treated feather edge. If you follow me around here, I'll let you have a look around here as well. Gutter there to take away the rainwater. We have also fit this handmade gate in cedar and a cedar lap fence as well. Beautiful little touch to that. Very contemporary. Another outside socket there as well. Fit a Euro cylinder lock on that gate as well. There you go, so it's locked nice and secure. We've fit an outside PIR light there as well, which will give them a bit of light. Anybody walks up the drive will be able to see. So, like I said before, we're one of the leading companies in the country. You're not going to get a better quality finish than this anywhere in this country. It's handmade, it's not off the shelf, it's not made in a factory. It's made by us, by hand, on site, from raw materials. What you can achieve from what was once a concrete prefab garage to this beautiful family room. Like I say, it's 3.5 metres deep. It's over 6 metres long. It's divided into 2. Well, that's it, basically. If you're interested in one of these, you give us a ring, drop us a message, drop us an email, and I'll try and fit you in if you want one of the best, well, the best garden rooms in the country. Thank you.